Assalamu alaikum viewers. So today we are going to solve March 18 paper 1 to AS physics paper. So in this video I'm going to solve question 1 only, and in the upcoming videos I will just solve one question so that it becomes more easier for you to understand. So question number 1, which unit is equivalent to coulomb? So now first you have to think that which quantity has the unit coulomb. So charge is the quantity to which the Coulomb unit belongs, right? So now you have to quickly think up the equations that relate the charge to any of the quantity. Now, as you can see, before reading the options, just check the units which are given to you. Okay, ampere per second. Ampere is the unit of current, and second is the unit of time. So yeah, I can think what do you say, a equation which relates charge, current, and time. Let's go to the next option. Joules per volt. Now, joule is the unit of energy or work done, and volt is the unit of voltage. So yeah, there's one equation that relates charge, volt, and charge, voltage, and energy. Now, next two options. Next two options include watt. Watt is the unit of power. And I don't think so that you could remember any equation at AS level that relates power to the charge, right? So options C and D are wrong. Okay. So we are cancelling option C and D. Option C and D are wrong. Now let's look at option A and B. Both of them seems correct, but only one is correct, right? Now I have done the working already. So let's check upon the working. It says, okay. So for option A, it says ampere per second. As I told you before, ampere is the unit of current, and second is the unit of time, right? So there is one equation that relates charge, time, and current, which is I is equals to Q upon T. Now, as we need the units in term of coulomb, so we have to make Q the subject, right? Q means charge, the subject, right? So if charge is the subject, then the equation becomes Q is equals to IT, which means that the equation would become Coulomb is equals to ampere into second, right? Ampere into second. And in option A, we are given ampere per second. This means that ampere divided by second means current divided by time. And that's wrong. That's not the correct equation that describes, or what you say, that is in terms of Coulomb. So option A is wrong. Now let's look at option B. Option B says joules per volt. As I told you before, that joules is the unit of work done or energy, and volt is the unit of voltage. So quickly think up of an equation that relates joule means energy or work done to the voltage. Yeah, there is an equation. The equation is voltage is equals to joules means energy or work done upon charge, right? So now if we make Coulomb or charge the subject, so the equation becomes Coulomb is equals to joules upon voltage, which means you can express it like this also. Coulomb is joules per volt. So we are given option B as joules per volt. So option B is correct. Thank you so much for watching. This was only question 1. I hope you understood it. Still, if you have any question, you may ask in the comment section below. Thank you.